welcome back to my channel. You guys, look at me today. I am feeling myself like that ass. So today's video will be on this hair. Yes, this hair. And guess what? It's synthetic. Yes, it is. And if you're new to my channel, you are welcome. Hey baby, welcome. So go ahead and subscribe and also hit the notification button. So every time I drop a new video, you will be alert first. So go ahead, subscribe right now. Subscribe right now. Subscribe right now. Now let's jump to this video. So now we're gonna start by plucking the hairline. We're gonna pluck it all around the lace. And when you're doing it, take your time. Don't rush this process. Okay guys, so this is the hair. I'm gonna have to pluck a little bit more. It looks like, you know, when you have natural hair, you go to the Dominican people, you get a blowout. It's not bone straight. It's like, it feels so nice. I like it. And yes, it's synthetic, but it looks so natural. Okay. The hair name is got it in the color red wine. So I'm gonna pluck a little bit more and then I'm gonna come back. So before I cut up the lace, I'm going to secure it first with the got to be spray. So we're gonna spray all around the lace. So I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to do it twice. The same method, spray it around the lace and then blow dry it. So you see, you don't have enough parting space. So now we're gonna add makeup on that part, foundation or the powder foundation, the liquid, whatever you have, so it could blend in a little bit more. Since the parting is so small, we're gonna try to make it work. And also at the edges, you could see it don't fit because the wig is too small. So I had to bring it all the way up. That's why I spray it with the got to be twice, so it could be secure. Okay, you guys, I'm back. We got my makeup. Let's reveal the hair together. Synthetic. Okay. Oh my god. Y'all have to go get this hair. Y'all just have to. This is so beautiful. Fancy. I am feeling beautiful. Comment down below and let me know if I really slayed this, because I know I did, so it is what it is. You can still comment down below.